Yeah, I don't want to waste any time. I will get right into it today. Okay, this is a very special car for me. So today we have the Majorette Porsche 911 Carrera S with some mods. I think those are the ski mods. Okay, so this is from the Porsche edition. All right, this is a very official licensed product from Porsche. So what are the features? It says metal body, rubber tires, suspension, opening parts, and licensed vehicle. These are the 5 features of this car. And here we can see the car. Right here, this is a tiny little box to store the car. Okay, so let's get right into it. Majorettes have a pretty premium cars, nice premiums. Pretty unusual way to open this. Wow. Okay, so we have another blister which has been packed in, and we have this box. Yeah, wow, this is a tiny little box. It looks very big here. This is the size of the box. Okay, so forget the box, look at the box contents. Okay, just so you know, all the parts are open in this one, and that is how this blister packaging is made. Okay, yeah, so this one keeps the hood open. Okay, and the bottom one keeps the door open. Let me close it. Okay, let me throw this aside. Yeah, so we have the Porsche 911 Carrera S. Beautiful car. Wow, very nice. So on the side, we'll start from the side. Okay, this is a typical Porsche with the typical Porsche wheels, right? Look at the nice yellow color. Okay, at the back we have the Porsche badging, Carrera right there. Porsche 911 Carrera, right? We have the nice tail lamp details, connected tail lamps it has. Yep, exhausts and some more details on this one. On the other side we have the same thing. This has no livery or such thing. This is a stock car. Okay, with this custom what do you say, mod edition mods. Okay, yeah, wow. Yeah, so this is the front of the car. You have the nice Porsche logo. Okay, you have the acrylic headlamps, you have the front grille detailed. Okay, these are the nice touches here. Okay, I suppose this is the fuel lid, I don't know. The interiors are pretty detailed too. This is the openable car and open moving parts. So just a second. Hope you're able to see. Even I'm not able to see. Yeah. Okay. Wait, let me change the camera angle and show you. This is the car. This is the top of the car. Nice car, very nice. There's some nice details here. Okay, this is the base of the car. It says Porsche 911 Carrera Majorette, and this has suspensions. If you are wondering, these are the suspensions. Any Majorette car with these holes at the bottom means that they have suspension. Okay, let's open the trunk. Oh, cute little trunk. Okay, very nice, very nice, beautiful car. This has rubber tires. Okay, let me change the camera angle real quick. Soak in the view, no? Looks so cool, right? Wow. Yeah, so this is the Majorette premium car. Okay, I will however be making a video comparing the Majorette premium versus, yep, you saw that, Hotwheels premium. Okay, if you haven't checked out already, I've unboxed the Nissan Nismo GT3 car. I'll leave the link below the like button. Do check it out. We'll be comparing them in detail. Let me know what do you want to compare. Okay, what are the aspects that you want me to cover? Let me know in the comments. Sure, I will try to compare it, according to what you want to see or how you want to see it. Okay, so this is the Porsche. Okay, or Porsche. There's a lot of debate going on around how to pronounce the name. Okay, I totally agree that maybe I'm doing it wrong, so suggest me a video that I can watch to make it right. So I believe this comes off like that, and I don't know, even this was moving. I think this might come off too. No, that won't come off. Okay, so this looks absolutely stunning car, and if you know that one of the famous diecast collector and designer has awarded this particular Porsche as the best one in this Porsche edition series cars. Okay, there were 6 of them, so that is a good thing, right? Let's do a quick roll test. Wow, very soft, smooth, and doesn't make a lot of noise. Okay, that was not a good push. So okay, there is some amount of wheel wobble in the front, yeah, but I think nobody's gonna go around and take this car and they'll start rolling it everywhere or do a race. Maybe someone crazy like me could have or would have tried or will try to do that. Even I have the tracks, Hotwheels tracks, the loop ones and the, I don't remember the names, but there are some crazy tracks that I have. I might as well just throw these cars on the tracks and see what happens, right? So yeah, as this car says, like, this has moving parts, so we'll open both the doors. Okay, very nice. I think these doors open quite wide, so ingress and coming out of the vehicle should not be a problem. Ingress and outgress, I don't know, what is that? Ingress is going inside. Opposite to that is something different, I don't know. Yeah, so yeah, while I'm at it, I will just show you the interiors. Let's zoom in. Okay, so nice interiors. We can see the steering wheel. Okay, you can also see the hinge that is going to help the hood to be opened. Just a sec, let's do that. You know what, I'll take this to open it. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, just right behind the steering wheel, you can see that this is what helps to helps the hood. That's the hood hinge actually, so you can see that. On the other side of the car, yeah, we have the same hinge and we have 2 seats, a nice, pretty detailed. Yeah. The one thing about Majorette is the insides of the doors and this one are not done properly, so I don't know how long will they go before it starts to rust. I think they have some coating. I believe that they have some coating on it to prevent rusting. But let's see. Maybe we'll do a long-term review. You know how this car was. Ask me anything kind of video. Okay. What's the mileage? Okay. So this is the very say premium segment car from Majorette. So I don't think they will be neglecting this. Like this might catch rust or whatever it is. And also I have another moving part car, that is the Ford Mustang GT. That car has also been unboxed and you will be able to find the link below the like button. Okay, let's just get the cameo here. Okay, small cameo from Mustang. Okay, this is the semi-premium. The hood doesn't open, neither the trunk, and the wheels are not rubber wheels, but you can the doors open, and this has suspension. So yeah, that is that. Oh, no kissing, not on camera at least. So these are the two cars. This is also a pretty detailed car. You can check the review out in that. Okay, so this was all about the Porsche 911 Carrera S. One thing, however, I want to check is this. Okay, so this does fit inside. Okay, so that is how you store this car. Pretty good, right? See, these are small things that Majorette does, I think, which puts it ahead, a little bit ahead of Hot Wheels, giving this small case, put this car inside, right? Yeah, the MRP of that car, this car, is $499. Okay, that is 50 rupees cheaper than the Hot Wheels Premium, which is priced at $549. The Hot Wheels Premium is at $549. This is at $499. I was lucky enough to find it at a local store, and what can I say? Wherever I go, I look out for some cool cars, something that catches the eye of the admirer, right? Yeah, so we'll conclude this video here. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Okay, please do subscribe the channel, like this video, and share it with all your collector friends, right? And this was the Porsche 911 Carrera S. Okay, then do take very good care of yourself. Happy collecting, and always be happy, right? I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.